Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Office error code 4VT9F on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your Microsoft Office Word or Excel not working properly, having error code, then here are the fixes. Right click on Start button and choose Task Manager. And if you found any Microsoft Office related processing, then simply select it and choose End Task. Look for any Microsoft Office related services process, select it and choose End Task. Look some other same Microsoft Office related process, then select it and choose End Task. You may look for in search field MS, type MS Office, and if you found any Microsoft related task which is in running or processing, then simply select it and choose End Task. And after that, try to launch your Microsoft Word or Excel, Microsoft Office programs, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open your Microsoft Office or Word or Excel as administrator mode. Simply type Word in search field and right click on this app and choose Run as administrator. Right click on the Word or Excel app and choose Run as administrator. A pop-up message will open. Click OK and run your Microsoft Word or Excel file to administrator mode and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the Start button and choose Settings. In Settings, from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various apps not working properly, so you must update your operating system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Control Panel in your system. Here under Available List, go to Program and Features. Here go to Program and Features and scroll down and go to Microsoft Office app, select it and choose Change from the top menu bar. A pop-up window will appear, choose Yes. And here, how do you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Choose Quick Repair and click on Repair and follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing process of your Microsoft Office programs. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Office error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Windows Explorer, this PC. Here go to C drive where your program files exist. Here go to program data, open it. Here scroll down and look for Microsoft, open it. Here open Click to Run folder. And if you found any Microsoft Office update related folder, if you find, simply select it and delete it. Update related file, if you found on this Click to Run folder, then select it and delete it. Must ensure that this should be update related folder, not a features, culture or any other related. If you found any update related folder, if you found, then simply select it and choose delete. After that, check whether your error is Microsoft Office error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on Start button and choose Settings. Go to System Settings, click on System. Thereafter, go to right side and here look for Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Choose Other Troubleshooters. And on the next page, run Program Compatibility Troubleshooters. There may be a possibility of your program not uh, having issues, problems with opening. So run Program Compatibility Troubleshoot. Click on Run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, check whether your Microsoft Office error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK, and on services windows, scroll down under available services, scroll down and go to Windows installer services. Right click on it and choose a start or restart. If you found already in start mode, then restart it, as otherwise start it. And you may start on this page also. So close the windows and check with your problem will definitely be resolved.